Before all the lights, before the cafes, before the life that you see today, Vietnam was a country the world only knew through war.
A war that lasted decades, a war that reshaped millions of lives, a war that left scars that still echo today.
Families separated, cities changed forever, and a nation forced to rebuild from almost nothing.
But in 1975, everything changed.
Reunification. And today, 51 years later, we are standing here, witnessing history being remembered, not with anger,
but with pride. We're here for the 51st Reunification Day, a moment where Vietnam doesn't just look back. They celebrate how far they've come.
What hits you the most isn't just the history, it's the people.
Because despite everything this country has been through,
they welcome the world with open arms.
Yes, it's my mother-in-law with my daughter and my nephew. Yes.
Think about that. A country that faced unimaginable hardship. Let's take you on a tour of the palace. Our tour included the buggy ride.
Tank number 390, commanded by Lieutenant Wu Dongdua, was the first to enter the palace grounds. If you look to your left at the front of the palace, you can see the flagpole where Lieutenant Tan lowered the flag of the South Vietnamese government and hoisted the flag of the Southern Provisional Revolutionary Government, thus marking the end of the Vietnam War. South Vietnamese F-5E fighter jet. This jet was used by pilot Nguyen Thanh Trung to bomb Independence Palace on April 8, 1975, just 3 weeks before the end of the war. This house is located inside the palace grounds and features a large parking area, 45 comfortable guest rooms, a 500-seat meeting room, and dining facilities for banquets and weddings. Today, this villa houses an exhibit entitled From Northern Palace to Independence Palace, 1868 to 1966.
Soursop. I can try and get as much soursop as we can.
We stopped for a drink and a bite to eat at one of the on-site cafes. Before heading into the palace,
Kung korupsyon Finrian.
Jaila kunkan kashdai chinzishunanam. Vabai dio.
Helen Tang Trang Kung Jim Wakatang Wajolunian. Vietnam is building fast.
from buzzing cities to world-class cafes, to innovation, culture and opportunity. This isn't just recovery, this is transformation.
And being here for this moment, it changes how you see everything. You don't just learn Vietnam's story, you feel it.
Vietnam doesn't forget its past, but it refuses to be defined by it. And maybe that's what makes this country so unforgettable. And for this trip we stayed in District 2, which is about 20 minutes by grab from the centre. And while there, we tried this traditional restaurant established in 1982.
Isn't it lovely? We've got so much stuff to do.
Cheers. And our food and drinks came to about £15, which is around $20.
Và vào buổi sáng, hai Thuong took một ly cà phê tuyệt vời thay thao Jan coffee and smoothie.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.